Hello friends, this is Arnab and you are watching Arnab's Explore. Today I am going to unbox this Polk bookshelf speaker which is from Polk signature series. The model number is S15. Let's unbox this. Here is again the Polk manual, some pads under the which stuck under the speaker, and a picture is given here of the backside of the speaker, because which allow to wall mount the speaker. Okay. These speakers are quite heavy actually, maybe 6 kg or something. I just put it over here, and the second one. Okay. So here is these two speakers. This is the front grill of the speaker. This is the first look. I'm just going to open another one. Okay, here is the second one. I'll show you the both sides. Now I'll show you a closer look. Here is the speaker terminal, and this is the woofer, 5.5 inch approx. Here is signature S15. This tweeter is a Terry tweeter, and the woofers are polypropylene mica injected woofers. Here is the PowerPort logo on both of the speaker. There is plastic attached on the speaker which resistant the scratches. I'm not going to peel off this. There is the keyhole where you can mount the speaker on the wall. I don't know which material is used to make this. And there's the power port. Here is also. This is the quick unboxing of this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe this channel. Go to the channel, then click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon.